So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing extremely well. So without wasting any time, let's move on to our next problem of the day. As you can see, we have already completed 14 days streak. So today's problem says winner of an election. The problem says given an array of n names of candidates in an election where each name is a string of lowercase characters. Okay, a candidate name in the array represents a vote. Candidate name in the array represents a vote. Constitute the candidate. Print the name of the candidate that received the maximum count of votes. What we have to done? Maximum count of votes. And if there is a draw between two candidates, then print the lexicographically smaller name. Okay, let's see what does the problem say. So suppose we have an array of strings, array of strings. Okay, of size n. These are the votes. This vote is casted to the person A. This vote is cast to person B. This to C. This to A. This to A. This to B. This to C. Okay. As you can see, the number of votes casted to A is one, 2, 3. So 3. To B is 1, 2. Okay. To C is 1, 2. Okay. All the indexes are covered, no other candidate. So now, what do we have to do? We have to return the candidate who has got the maximum number of votes. And as you can see here, it is A. Okay. But in case, suppose B was also 3 here. Okay. Then what we have to return? Then also we will have to return A because A is lexicographically smaller. That is, A will come before B in the dictionary order. Okay. So how will we approach the problem? It is a very easy problem. As you can see, the GFG also says it was an easy problem. So how will we approach it? Well, to approach it, what you can do, use a map to keep the count. How? Traverse the array and use a map. So let me name my map as MP. Okay. When my I is here, count of A will become 1. Then I move forward, count of B will become 1. I moves here, count of C will become 1. I moves here, count of A will become 2. I moves here, count of A becomes 3. After that, 2 here. After that, 2 here. So I can see the count corresponding to A is maximum, so I will return A. Okay. But what if this condition arises in the map? If in the map I have something like this configuration, A is 3, B is 3, C is 2. How will I tackle this situation? We know we have to return A as our answer. But how will I tackle it? How will I say that return A? First condition is use a ordered map. That is simply map instead of using an unordered map. Okay. Then whatever you encounter first, remove that. Print that. How can you print without knowing the frequency of the further one? It is possible, right? A is 3 here and C might be 5 here. Then what can you do? So for that, while traversing and storing the elements in the map, you should keep a counter corresponding to maximum votes. Otherwise, you will have to use a loop to find the number of count. You can do that in the initial loop only. Okay. I guess the algorithm is very clear. This was the perfect algorithm for it. The time complexity for this would be, as you can see, for inserting O of n, and for keeping it, it will be O of n again, space complexity also. Okay. Let's come to the code very quickly. How will we approach it? So, showing you the approach using an unordered map. Okay. Unordered map of string mash to int, that is the count, and count initialize a zero to keep the count of the maximum votes. Okay, for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. All right, mp of arri plus plus. Now if count is less than of mp arri, then what do we have to do? Count equals to mp of arri. Okay, now string answer for my reference, traverse the map for auto, traverse the array again for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If mp of arri equals to count, that is it has the maximum frequency, then now if two conditions, if answer equals to an empty string, then answer will become arri, else if arri is lexicographically smaller than existing answer, then also answer is arri. Okay, I guess there has been some problem here. This will come after this if. Okay. Okay. Now what? Now at last, let me hide it. Return vector consisting of answer with two string of count. That is the votes to these candidates. Let's try to compile and run it. Hope it works. There's been an error. Yeah, it has been AR. Classic type of mistake. Let's try to compile and run it now. Working for compile and run. Let's keep our finger crossed for submit also. Counter is increasing and at final done. So as you can see, we have completed a 15-day streak. It was all because of you. Please keep watching, please keep supporting my content, and I'm sure that we will complete our 100-day target soon. Okay, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, and for more such amazing content, don't forget to subscribe to the masked code. Okay, thank you.